If you want to learn how to log into CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can sign into your CapCut account on desktop in just a few moments. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll make it easy to follow from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your PC. Once the app loads, look at the top left corner of the screen. You should see the sign in option right there. Go ahead and click on sign in to begin the login process. After that, CapCut will show you different sign in methods depending on how you originally created your account. This is important because you need to choose the same method you used when you signed up. For example, if you created your CapCut account with Google, then you should click sign in with Google. If you used another method like TikTok, Facebook, or email, select the matching option instead. In my case, I used Gmail, so I'm clicking sign in with Google. Once you select Google, a new window will appear asking you to choose your account. Select the Google account that is connected to your CapCut profile. If you're already signed into multiple accounts, make sure you pick the correct one so you don't log into the wrong profile. After selecting your account, CapCut will ask you to confirm authorization. This step gives CapCut permission to access your account and complete the login. Review the prompt, then click continue or allow, depending on what appears on your screen. Once you confirm it, CapCut will finish signing you in automatically. And that's it. You're now logged into CapCut on PC and ready to start editing your videos. From here, you can access your projects, sync your account, and continue working on your content across devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing guides, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.